Hey guys! In this video, I'll show you how to change your phone number on your Gmail account. Keep in mind that changing your phone number on Gmail will also update the phone number on your Google account, since the two are linked. We'll start by opening a mobile browser. For this demonstration, I'll be using Safari. Head over to google.com and make sure you're signed into your Google account. Once you're logged in, tap your profile icon in the top right corner and select Manage Your Google Account. From the top navigation menu, choose Personal Info. Now scroll down until you see the phone number section and select it. Here, you'll see the phone number currently linked to your account. Tap on it, then press the pencil Edit icon. At the bottom of the screen, select Update Number, then enter the new phone number you want to use for your Gmail account. When you're done, press Next. Google will now send a verification code to ensure the number belongs to you. Tap Get Code, enter the code you receive, and press Verify. And that's it. You've successfully changed your phone number on your Gmail account. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.